Do you have nasty looking caulk under your toilet or in your bathtub? Stick around. I'll show you how you can fix it for $10 in a few minutes. So welcome back to the station, everyone, and this is the secret right here. You can get rid of that nasty looking caulk that's for whatever reason is turning yellow or brown. Ours, it was because of a bad install from a terrible company that we use, but that's neither here nor there. And this is all you need: a sealant pen and some pinstriping tape from your local automotive department. And you can see here, dirt got in there when they installed this, and it was like this from day one. And it looks bad. It looks like pee, really. Let's just be honest. You don't want people thinking you pee all over the place. So you can see here I taped it up already, and did a small example, and you can see how much more white it is already. And right here I'm going to show you. It's just real simple. The benefit of using pinstriping tape is that it curves really, really good. And you just get yourself a long piece, you put it down, and the longer the piece you have, and you kind of pull if you can work with two hands. I was doing this one, holding the camera with the other. It'll really go down nice, and you'll get nice clean lines. And then what I didn't do here, but I would recommend, is that after you get your pinstripe down, you can go back with your thicker tape just to make sure your floor is covered. And see, this can really help you in that on curves. This stuff curves way better than normal tape would, and it sticks but comes off easily. And see, doing it with one hand is not ideal, but with two hands you'll just fly around this. You put this down in a minute if you're only using two hands. But see, you can just kind of go along, and it's quite easy. And you'll see here just how nice it looks, and how you can really follow a nice curve. And that's really going to help you. So the secret to this sealant pen, and if you're going to use this grout, you want to get a grout pen. If you're going to use it on caulk, you want to get one that says sealant pen. They are different. I learned that the first time and had to return one because the grout pens won't stick, and you just won't stay. But you see here, you shake it up for 2 minutes. You have to shake it up for 2 minutes. Then you take the cap off, and you just push in, and then follow along the caulk, and it will distribute the paint as you go along. And it has paint and sealant in it, designed to seal up the caulk and color it. And you can see how quickly, just that quick, it became a whole heck of a lot whiter, and a lot of the nasty stuff went bye-bye. So you can see this is actually just extremely easy, and will make your bathroom instantly look way better, especially for your guests. So final tips and review: shake it up for 2 minutes, use your pinstripe tapes, then follow up with your regular tapes to protect your floor. If you do get it anywhere else, it's water-based, so it cleans up really easy with water and soap. If you do need to clean up, get on it right away. Give it a try yourself, and you'll really like it, and then let me know how it went. Thanks for listening. Like and subscribe. See you later.